I'm going to be showing you how to fix no service on an iPhone. So to fix no service on an iPhone, the first thing you need to do is try basic steps like restarting the phone, toggling airplane mode, and checking your carrier settings. So let's go through this step by step. The first thing you need to do is just try and restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix glitches. Also, you need to make sure that you're on airplane mode. Just turn it on and wait for a few seconds and turn it off again. This will force the phone to reestablish a connection. You also need to make sure you are in the area where cellular coverage is available. Sometimes the issue is simply poor signal in your current location. The last thing you need to do is to update carrier settings. Just go to your normal settings first. It's right there. Just go ahead and open it. Scroll down till you find General, which is right above Accessibility. Once you're here, you need to go to About. It's right there at the top. If a carrier settings update is available, a prompt will appear within 15 seconds. If not, then there is no update. So in this way, you can successfully fix no service on an iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.